Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you guys about difference between gateway versus repeaters. A gateway joins dissimilar systems. Gateway, it is defined as a network entity that allows a network to interface with another network with different protocols, while the repeater expands the range of the signal in the network. Repeater is also used to expand LAN. Repeater works on physical layer of OSI, Open System Interconnection model. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment on my video. Gateway versus repeaters. A gateway is a physical Wi-Fi access point connected to a Cat5 or Cat6 cable, usually a blue code coming from the wall, switch, or router, with telephone cable like ends on it. Gateways are one of the most important aspects of a Wi-Fi network and also the most overlooked. They are the backbone of your Wi-Fi network because they distribute data directly to the access point, which keeps your speed up. Gateways are also responsible for sending data to repeaters, which extend the network's reach. A repeater is a physical Wi-Fi access point, not connected to a Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Repeaters simply extend the reach of your Wi-Fi network. Repeaters are extremely helpful for large area properties with many rooms or floors. Repeaters cut your bandwidth in half with each signal bounce between devices. Definition of gateway. A gateway operates on all 7 layers of OSI model. A gateway works as a protocol converter. A router can accept and transfer packets only across a network using similar protocols. But a gateway can accept and transfer the packet across networks using a different protocol. A gateway is software installed within a router. A gateway accepts a packet which is formatted for a protocol. The steps performed by a gateway when it accepts a packet formatted in a protocol are as follow. A gateway accepts a packet which is formatted for a protocol. Example AppleTalk, used by the sender's network. It then converts that packet to be formatted for another protocol. Example TCP/IP, used by the receiver's network. After converting the format of the packet, a gateway forward that packet to its destination receiver's network. Sometimes the modification is needed only to header and trailer of the packet, and sometimes a gateway has to adjust the data rate, size, and format of the packet. What is repeater? Repeaters are network devices operating at physical layer of the OSI model that amplify or regenerate an incoming signal before retransmitting it. They are incorporated in networks to expand its coverage area. Repeaters are also known as signal boosters. A repeater is a network device that retransmits a received signal with more power and to an extended geographical or topological network boundary than what would be capable with the original signal. A repeater is implemented in computer networks to expand the coverage area of the network, repropagate a weak or broken signal, and or service remote nodes. Repeaters amplify the received input signal to a higher frequency domain so that it is reusable, scalable, and available. Repeaters were introduced in wired data communication networks due to the limitation of a signal in propagating over a longer distance and now are a common installation in wireless networks for expanding cell size. Why are repeaters needed? When an electrical signal is transmitted via a channel, it gets attenuated depending upon the nature of the channel or the technology. This poses a limitation upon the length of the LAN or coverage area of cellular networks. This problem is alleviated by installing repeaters at certain intervals. Repeaters amplifies the attenuated signal and then retransmits it. Digital repeaters can even reconstruct signals distorted by transmission loss. So, repeaters are popularly incorporated to connect between two LAN, thus forming a large single LAN. How does repeater work? The main aim for using repeater in the Ethernet is that repeater is capable to carry signal and broadcast it to other Ethernet capable without damaging any signals. The repeater is intelligent device that helps to control the flow of signals. If to determine any defect in the signals, then repeater is able to detect it and transport it to the linked port. Types of repeaters. According to the types of signals that they regenerate, repeaters can be classified into two categories. Analog repeaters. They can only amplify the analog signal. Digital repeaters. They can reconstruct a distorted signal. According to the types of networks that they connect, repeaters can be categorized into two types. Wired repeaters. They are used in wired LAN. Wireless repeaters. They are used in wireless LAN and cellular networks. According to the domain of LAN, they connect. Repeaters can be divided into two categories. Local repeaters. They connect LAN segments separated by small distance. Remote repeaters. They connect LAN that are far from each other. Difference between gateway and repeater. A repeater operates at the physical layer. Its job is to regenerate the signal over the same network before the signal becomes too weak or corrupted, so as to extend the length to which the signal can be transmitted over the same network. An important point to be noted about repeaters is that they do not amplify the signal. When the signal becomes weak, they copy the signal bit by bit and regenerate it at the original strength. It is a two-port device. Gateway. A communication device that provides a remote network with connectivity to the host network. How a gateway works. The gateway node acts like a proxy server and firewall. The gateway uses forwarding tables to determine where packets are to be sent. Additional information about gateways. Number 1. On the Internet, a node or stopping point can be a gateway. Number 2. The computers controlling traffic within a network are gateway nodes. Number 3. A gateway is also associated with a route. Conclusion. Gateways are also responsible for sending data to repeaters, which extend the network's reach. A repeater is a physical Wi-Fi access point not connected to a Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Repeaters simply extend the reach of your Wi-Fi network. Repeaters are extremely helpful for large area properties with many rooms or floors. A router routes various data packets via a similar set of networks. A gateway acts as a connection between two very dissimilar networks. A router can easily operate on 3 and 4 layers. A gateway can only operate on 5 layers. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.